Alright, so I took the bike out today and it started raining, of course. I was trying to look for some good views, an area. I was trying to head up to Alum Rock Park where I like filming with the bike, of course. And this rain. But anyways, so what I was going to say was I got a wheel set, a mismatched wheel set. Got the blue fixie style wheel with the flip-flop and a regular Araya tire for the front. I got bullhorn handlebars. I got some flat white handlebars, pedals, reflectors galore. I got a Shimano Dura Ace rear back brake, so that's some good stuff there. And now all we need is a frame. And just if you're wondering, I try to use that old camera sometimes with the old lenses to try to get a different look. And I review it and it looks terrible. So GoPro Hero 10 is the way to go. I guess a 12 would be better, but I don't have a 12. So it's starting to rain now, so I gotta either find somewhere to stay dry, get shelter, or just ride home. I'm not too far, so that's the update. I got this bike out here with my headlight, if you can see. It's not really a headlight, it's a kid's light, but I like it. It flashes too, so people can see me. Thanks for watching.